Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have the Fabfitfun Winter 2018 box. I'm super excited to get this open. I have partnered with Fabfitfun to bring you guys this video, so I am very on edge to see what is in this box. Now, in case you're not familiar with Fabfitfun, which I don't see how not, because I talk about them a lot on my channel. They are a subscription box that comes every season. They are $49.99, but with my discount code that'll be down in the description box, you can get $10 off of your first box, and that'll only make it $39.99, which is great. And let me tell you, they send full-size products. They're awesome. It's kind of like 4 times a year. It's kind of like you're getting a Christmas box every year. Even though this is the winter box, even in the spring, the fall, it's just so fun to get this box. And even if you don't need it for yourself, you can always gift it, send it to an in-law, your mother, your sister, or whoever, because you're going to get over $200 worth of product in this box, and you're only literally paying $49.99, but your first box will be $39.99. So I'm not going to do a whole lot of talking. I want to get this open and share this with you, because I'm telling you, when this box arrives, I get super excited and I'm like, I want to open it. So let's go ahead and get this open. But before I do, look at the graphics on that. Look at the picture. They are so cozy and cute. They're sitting down drinking their coffee and, you know, just doing the little girls thing. Super cute. And I had to show you that. I opened it and I was like, let me show them the box. And it is in support of Kindness Factory. So yeah, so I got it open. And even the inside is cute. Look at that. This box is just super cool. Okay, so let me share with you what came in my box. The first thing I see is by Bear Paw, and I love Bear Paw products. Really nice quality products, and so I'm very excited by this. These are a set of mittens, and they have the fingerless tops, which is perfect because when you have on gloves, you're using your cell phone or you're doing something where you need your fingers out, they're out already. But then they come with the little thing right here. It's black on black, so you probably can't see it. You know, the part that flips up so that you can cover your fingers and make it like a full mitten. That is on there with a cute little brown button that secures it. And then it also has a cute little headband, and the inside of this is super plush and soft, and I love it. I love it. So this is the first item that I am seeing in here from Bear Paw. Now, let me also explain to you before I continue. What I forgot to mention is that in your box, you will get one of these like little magazines that is for Fabfitfun. And on the inside, they do tell you the product that you got and how much it is valued at and everything. So I will go through this and let you know what each item is retail valued at. And that way you'll understand what you're getting for the low cost that you would pay. Is definitely reasonable to pay the $49.99 or $39.99 and get these products, because I mean, you're just getting some really good stuff. So off the top, the Bear Paw set is retailed for $45. It says slip-on ultra soft 100% polyester Sherpa line headband and fingerless gloves to beat the winter chill all season long. So that off the top is retailed at $45. So I just wanted to tell you guys that. Okay, so moving on, I see this Brilliant Eye Brightener, and it is a highlighting stick. It says ring light technology, and it's by Thrive Cosmetics. Now, I have never had one of these. Oh, it also has a built-in sharpener. I have never had this product. I've never tried it, but I have seen others talk about it on YouTube or on Instagram, and I'm super excited by it. So it's in this cute green packaging. The sharpener is popped out the end, so that's cool because you have your sharpener on hand. And ooh, this is the actual product right here. Let's see. And there it is right there. That is super pretty. super pretty. I can't wait to try that out. And I love that it's sharpened because that makes it easier to go underneath the eyebrow or in the corner of the eye. I'm really loving that. So let me see what this retails at. And you guys, I do apologize if you hear some crunching noises in the background. Listen. Now he wants to stop. Anyways, my dog is laying right here with his legs spread out and he's chewing on one of his toys and it has that crunchy sound. So yeah, if you hear that, that's what that is. So the highlighting stick by Thrive is retailed for $24 and it says infused with macadamia and metal foam oil. This silky champagne eye brightener instantly highlights and brightens your eyes. It says a tip: highlight the inner corners of your eyes for a brightening effect. Of course, that's what I will be using it for. So this is super cool and it was retailed at $24. Next, I pulled out a Jade Roller. Let me tell you guys, I recently was looking online at I think I was on Ulta or one of those websites, and I was literally looking at one of these Jade Rollers that I saw, and I was thinking about getting it because I heard that it's supposed to help with you know, just your skin or, you know, or whatever. And so I was wanting to get one, and oh my god, this is so pretty. Look at that. It is a Jade Roller. It rolls from both ends. You have this large and the small, and you're supposed to be able, oh, it's so cold. You're supposed to do this around your face, and you know, this is like some kind of like a it thing right now, or it may have already been the it thing. I'm not too sure, but I was interested in that, so I'm super excited that they sent me one for me to try out. And let me tell you what it retails for. I cannot wait to play with this. It says, it's no wonder this anti-aging beauty tool has been used by empresses for centuries. The Jade Roller helps stimulate energy and promote a feeling of facial relaxation, and this retails for $45. And it also has a little tip. It says to clean or wipe with alcohol pads after each use. I guess like if you have makeup on or something and it gets on there, you want to clean it. So this is super cool. Like I said, this is another reason why it's so fun to get subscription boxes, because you'll get products that you may have never picked up, and you get it and you get to try them out, and most of the time you'll end up loving it. So this was also in this box. The next thing is the Ahava hydration cream mask. Now I've gotten these products like from Ahava, from Fabfitfun in the past. I've gotten like some hand cream, some body lotion, and I absolutely love their products. They are really nice and creamy and really thick. Now this is a hydration face mask, and I'm gonna read to you what it says. It's 3.4 fluid ounces and it retails for $33. It says, enriched with mineral spring water, shea butter, and vitamin E, this rich creamy mask softens and smooths the skin while providing intense hydration and comfort. So, and it says hydrate on the front. So this will probably be really, really nice. It says apply once or twice a week, rinse after 3 to 5 minutes, or leave all night. So you can put a thin layer probably and leave it on all night and wake up in the morning and rinse it off. I might try that. I'm not too big on masks, but I might go ahead and give this a try. But for $33, you've already literally paid for your box with just this product and one other item, and you still have more in the box to go. Here is some eye masks by Black, and I've used Black products before and I really, really like them. Now this is my favorite kind of mask. These are the masks that go underneath the eyes to reduce puffiness. Those are my favorite kind of mask, and you get 5 of them in here. And let me see what this says about this one. I can't find, oh, there it is. It says, is your under eye area puffy or swollen? Detox and depuff with this activated charcoal eye mask for a refreshed look. So I didn't even know these were charcoal masks, but that's super cool. And this retails for $29. Here is a Bite Cosmetics lipstick. I really like Bite Cosmetics. They have some very creamy moisturizing lipsticks, and I have a couple that I've picked up in the past, and I'm very excited about this. And this one is Amuse Bouche, Amuse Bouche lipstick. That's what it says, and it's in the color meringue. And so let me get this open. And these, it says a high impact lipstick in a peachy nude shade. This lipstick is handcrafted to deliver intense moisture and creamy wear, and it retails for $26. I love their packaging. It's like a matte black or gray kind of color, really, really cute. And this is the shade, so it's a peachy nude color, and I think that is really pretty. Like I said, I do have some other Bite Cosmetic lipsticks, and I really like them. Next, I see some Elevate essential oils, and it says 2 essential oils. One is in eucalyptus and the other one is in sweet orange with fractionated coconut and jojoba oil. Okay, very interesting. Let me read what it says, because I'm not familiar with, you know, just having essential oils and what I need to do with them. It says, unlike typical essential oils, these oils can be applied directly onto the skin. Eucalyptus helps with sore muscles and cold symptoms. That's cool. And while sweet orange eases stomach cramps and headaches. It said for the headaches, put it on the temple, and that should help, and it helps with cramps as well. So you learn something new every day, because I never knew that about sweet orange essential oil, and I do kind of have headaches from now and then. And so for me to be able to put this on my temples and give it a try, I'm definitely here for this, as well as the eucalyptus. Right now we are in the winter and people get sick, so the eucalyptus oil will definitely help. And this box retails for $31. Oh, let me show you what the product looks like. So they're in these little bottles like this. And yeah, so each bottle is 0.33 fluid ounces, and I'm really excited. I almost feel like I'm ready to have a headache, so I can try to so I can try the sweet orange oil to actually see how good it works. Ain't that crazy? But yeah, this was also in here. The next item that I pulled out is this beautiful, I love that color, zipper pouch thingy, and I just read it because when I opened it I was like, well, what is this? So I opened it up, and it has these like areas right here. It has some styrofoam in here, and then it has this divider, and then it has some more areas right here. And what this is a jewelry, what was it called? A jewelry portfolio. How cool is that? This is so perfect for when you're traveling. If you're, you know, going somewhere and you want to take your jewelry, you can hang your necklaces or your bracelets right here, and they're secured by these snaps like that. And then they get secured underneath this strap right here, and then you have this fabric that covers it, and then you can do the same over here. And there's also a zipper pouch right here. So this is super cool for people that are traveling and on the go. And it is by Halston, and I'm super excited by this because I love my jewelry and I don't go anywhere without my jewelry. So I definitely need this. And this, it says retails for $48. It says keep your jewelry tangle free. This large zip around portfolio has 3 organizational sections to fit rings, bracelets, necklaces, and more. So this is really, really nice, and I'm happy that I got this in my box. And last but not least, this is by Mark and Graham, and it is a throw, a really soft throw that I am excited to open and use. It's not that cool right now to actually have this out, but I will definitely take it and throw it over my couch or over the arm of a chair. And so whenever somebody's cold, they can use this. And it has the little, you know, the little fringy things on the end, and that was tucked away inside of there. I'm gonna keep it rolled up. But this is by Mark and Graham, and let me tell you a little bit about it real quick. It says what color? This is gray and ivory, cozy up with this woven throw, which features a stripe design. Oh, it has a stripe design to it. So it's kind of like an ombre. It's going to be gray and white, which features a stripe design and cool fringe detailing. And this retails for $49. So, like I said, even though you're paying the $49.99 for every season, you're definitely getting your money's worth in here with the full-size products and all of these great products that they send. So it's definitely worth it. If you want to treat yourself, you feel like, you know, sometimes we just need that. So every season, you'll just get a box that is filled with goodies for you to try out, use. Just sit down, have you a glass of wine, open your box, and it's just super cool. I really enjoy the FabFitFun boxes. Like I said, if you are going to get one for yourself or for a family member, make sure to use the discount code down in the description box. And so that is it for my unboxing. I'm always excited to get this box, but that's it. I thank you guys all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you all in another video. Bye.